Hi, everybody, and happy Friday. It's Pam Beitzel here with the Beitzel team at Realty Executives Arizona Territory. And today I'd like to give everybody a warning about something that's very important in the real estate industry, and that is wire fraud. Last year, over $2 billion, that's billion with a B, was stolen from people in real estate transactions through wire fraud. So, what happens is that people become aware through emails and different things that people are engaged in a real estate transaction, and they pose as the title company, and they give fake wiring instructions to people who then send sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars to the wrong account, and that money is often lost forever. So this is very important, something that I want to make you aware of, because so many of us do engage in real estate transactions in one way or another. So I'm going to go ahead and show you really quickly here some keys and some tips to not being a victim of wire fraud. So first of all, be vigilant, call, don't click, verify all your wiring instructions before you transfer your funds. And you do that by calling the title company and the number that we have given you throughout your transaction. You're going to get, if you are a victim of fraud, you'll get an email that looks exactly like the ones you've been receiving from the title company. Always verify through a phone call of your own that you make, that you do not receive, that this is indeed a real email, and verify over the phone the exact wiring instructions. Be aware, it's extremely rare that wiring instructions will change at the last minute, or this information will be provided by email. You always want to establish a connection with the title officer that you've been working with and call them directly to get wiring instructions. Always confirm everything. Ask your bank to confirm the name on the receiving account before ever sending a wire. And always verify immediately within 4 to 8 hours. Call the title company or real estate agent to confirm that they've received your money. And by the way, I will never, ever, ever ask you for money. So you do not have to worry. You should never get an email from a real estate agent in the state of Arizona asking you to wire them any money for anything. Lastly, if you have been targeted, call your bank and ask them to issue a recall notice for your wire, file a complaint with the FBI, and report the crime to your local FBI office. On another note, I just want you to be aware of another scam. I haven't seen as much of it lately, but there is a rental scam where people will steal our real estate photos off of the internet for homes that are for sale. Though they will put them on Craigslist for ridiculously low amounts of money, and then they will dupe people into wiring rental deposits. So that goes to the old adage of, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. So always check with a real estate agent to make sure that a house that you may think is too good to be true is truly for rent or truly for sale. Okay, so and never, never give a deposit on a property that you haven't seen with a property manager or somebody there locally who's working for you, who is a professional, okay, or the owner themselves, of course. All right, everybody, thanks, and happy Friday to you, and I'll see you again next time for our Friday free tips and our Monday markets. Have a great day. Bye.